Whether you need vehicle maintenance or repairs, booking your next appointment at Performance Toyota in Fairfield is quick and easy. When you choose Performance Toyota, you choose convenience. Visit PerformanceToyotaStore.com where you can find limited time offers and coupons. Select the Schedule Service option under the Service tab. Whether you need an oil change, new tires, engine maintenance, or more, our Toyota certified technicians are here to help. Select the Express Service or Regular Service button depending on your required maintenance. Input your vehicle info, select your service, and then make your appointment. Our service department includes genuine Toyota parts, Toyota experts, and complimentary amenities, including our valet service. If you don't have time to bring your vehicle to the dealership, we will pick it up for you at no additional charge. Simply call 513-874-5535 to schedule your pickup and delivery service. Choose convenience when you schedule your next service visit at Performance Toyota in Fairfield and discover why you deserve to choose performance.